Do you want to know how to share Google Calendar with others? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So all you have to do is to open your Google Calendar and log in with your Google account. So the next thing you want to do is to set a schedule on your calendar. So let's say tap on the plus icon and then tap on the event. And now you have to create an event. So let's say there will be an assignment, and of course you have to set up when is it due, the time is. You have to set the alarm for your guest or for others to be notified prior to submission, and here you will see you have the option to add guests. So click on it. You can add all the members you want to add to set in their Google calendars. So let's say you want to share this calendar or this event to this person. Just tap on it and it's done. Tap on save, and now you have successfully shared your Google calendars with others. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.